Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show recent search in Siri and search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings, then in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on Siri and search. Next we go down and in here, tap on Show Reasons. So before searching Show Reasons, tap on that toggle button to turn on or switch off Show Reasons Search on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.